Hi, welcome to my channel Teach Me. In this video I'm going to show you how to count number of cells that are not empty. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe and click on the bell button. So we will do two ways. One, to check how many payments I made and how many payment type I selected. So what are the total of values in here? So let's get to that. So to do that, so payment count. So to do that, so I'm going to type a formula. So it's a equal means you're starting a formula. So I want to do a count, and if you move the mouse over to CountA and hit tab, it will tell you, okay, you could select multiple values. So values means a range. So I could have a X number of values. There is no limit here. So for now, I just want to see, okay, how many payments I did and in here, right? So I could just select the range and press F4 on your keyboard to make it absolute and close the parentheses and hit enter. And it says, okay, I made a 19 payments. So what about the payment type? In here, same thing. CountA, tab. So the payment, I select the payment section and F4 to make it absolute, close the parentheses and enter. Okay, there are 20 payment type I made. What if you want to see what is the total number of cells in here that are not blank? Okay, so if that's the case, if you want to do that, then you just do a equal CountA. Oh, I hit enter. You're supposed to be pressing tab. Okay, so you could select a range like this, right? You could select a range like this and close the parentheses, and you can see there are 60 entries that are not empty. So that's how we find. So if you go ahead and delete Liam from here, that count changes, right? So that's how we find number of cells that are not empty. Thank you for watching.